Hi everyone, today we are going to be making mac and cheese in the Cosori pressure cooker today. The lovely people of Cosori sent me their 6-quart 8-in-1 pressure cooker for free to try out. Before we get started on the mac and cheese, I just want to go over a few things that I think is awesome about this pressure cooker. I just want to go over real quick what all comes with this pressure cooker, which I thought was absolutely wonderful because I believe on other pressure cookers you have to buy these separately. You get this glass lid to keep things warm or to use on the slow cooker setting, which is one of the things I love about that. You get a steam rack, an extra seal, a couple utensils, a measuring cup, your manual, of course, a book of recipes. So I'll go over the presets real quick. You have a meat and stew, poultry, soup, beans and chili, white rice, and a brown rice function, multi-grain, steamed vegetables, slow cook, yogurt, pasta, boil, steamed potatoes, hot pot for your fondues, saute and brown, bake, and reheat. Okay, let's get started on our mac and cheese. I took the inner pot out of the pressure cooker just to make it easier for me. I have 1 pound of Alpo macaroni. To that, I'm going to add 4 cups of water, tablespoon of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This calls for 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. I'm leaving that out today just because I do not have that. Then we need to add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm saying it wrong, I know. You know what I mean. Go ahead and just give that a quick mix. Okay, I got the pot in. Let's put our lid on. Make sure that's on the lock position. That little beepy beepy is telling us we have it sealed. I have our valve on the lock position. I'm going to press the manual button, then pressure temp. Now I'm going to hit the plus sign because we want this all the way to 6. Press cook time, and we want to bring that down to 4 minutes. Cook time and then to 4. Now I'm going to press start and we are ready to go. That is telling us it's going under pressure. Our 4 minutes is up under pressure. I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick release. This automatically goes to keep warm. I'm going to go ahead and carefully open this up. Give this a quick stir. All the water seems to be absorbed. If it's not, you can put this on saute until it evaporates. Again, this is on the keep warm setting. I'm going to add 5 ounces of evaporated milk, 2 cups of sharp shredded cheddar, and the recipe calls for 2 cups of Colby Jack cheese. I'm going to substitute that with 2 cups of Gouda cheese. So we have 4 cups total, half a cup of cream cheese. And I'm going to need to grab a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I did not see that until now. Add our half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. And give this a good mix. This looks delicious. Okay, that was the quickest thumbnail I ever took. I am so anxious to take a bite of this. That is really good. I like the Gouda in there too. I am never going to be able to go on a diet if I keep making this stuff. would like to thank Cosori for sending this to me. Thank you very much. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. If you are interested in checking out this pressure cooker, I will leave the links below, and I get absolutely no money whatsoever if you do buy. This is just under $70. I think it's worth it, especially with all the accessories it comes with. If you are interested in me doing more pressure cooking recipes, tell me down below in the comment section and I'll see what I can do. Okay, that's going to do it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.